Welcome to a world where colors and shapes come alive with Play-Doh. Dive into hands-on fun that sparks early learning for toddlers. Introduce your toddlers to a vibrant learning experience with Play-Doh. This hands-on fun encourages the discovery of colors and shapes, making it an ideal activity for early learning. Perfect for parents and educators seeking engaging ways to inspire young minds. Watch as creativity and education blend seamlessly, fostering a love for learning through play. Introduce toddlers to a world of colors with Play-Doh. The bright, vibrant hues captivate young minds, making learning an engaging and interactive experience. Through hands-on play, children not only learn about colors but also develop creativity and motor skills. This fun, educational activity is perfect for parents and educators aiming to inspire and educate simultaneously. Watch as your child discovers the joy of learning through play, fostering a lifelong love for exploration and creativity. Introduce your toddler to the vibrant world of colors with Play-Doh. This engaging and interactive activity captivates young minds, making learning both fun and educational. Through hands-on play, children explore different colors, boosting their creativity and motor skills. Perfect for parents and educators, this playful approach inspires a lifelong love for learning and exploration. Watch as your child delights in discovering colors, fostering creativity and developing essential skills through the joy of play. Introduce toddlers to shapes using Play-Doh. This hands-on activity allows children to mold and shape, enhancing their understanding of various shapes. By physically interacting with Play-Doh, kids improve shape recognition and develop fine motor skills. Perfect for parents and educators, this playful method encourages learning through fun, tactile experiences. Watch as your child explores the world of shapes, building foundational skills in a creative and engaging way. Experience the power of hands-on learning with Play-Doh. This tactile activity is crucial for toddlers, enhancing fine motor skills as they shape and mold. It sparks creativity, allowing young minds to express themselves freely. Engaging in these activities lays a foundation for early learning, making education both fun and effective. Encourage your child's development through creative play and watch their skills flourish. Unlock the potential of hands-on learning with Play-Doh. This engaging activity is essential for toddlers, promoting fine motor skills as they mold and shape. It fuels imagination, providing a creative outlet for young minds. Through tactile exploration, children lay the groundwork for effective early learning. Encourage your child's growth with interactive play and witness their abilities expand. Transform learning with Play-Doh activities designed for parents and educators. These activities spark creativity and foster educational growth, making learning fun and interactive. Play-Doh serves as a dynamic tool, enhancing fine motor skills and encouraging problem-solving. By incorporating Play-Doh into daily routines, children experience hands-on learning that captivates and educates. Embrace this playful method to nurture young minds and inspire lifelong curiosity.